Hey, what's up, internet friends? Renee again with Pulse Automation and Security. You know, one of the reasons why I love my job is I get to play with new stuff almost every couple of months. And that's exactly what happened on this job. Maybe some of you guys recognize what that is behind me. That's affectionately called the DISHY. Again, maybe some of you guys know that already. But that's the new Starlink internet satellite dish from Elon Musk and the people at SpaceX. Kind of cool. So this is a first for me. I've never installed one of these before. This metal roof was a bit of a challenge because we didn't want to, we wanted to roof mount it for sure and get best line of sight, get best signal. You can see all the trees behind me, so that was important. But we needed to figure out a way to not penetrate this roof and cause any issues with warranty or leaks. And I actually found a solution on the internet. Shout out to someone on Reddit who gave me the idea. What we ended up doing was using some very high powerful magnets on the tripod legs. They are rubber coated, and they make a very strong connection. It's really hard to break the connection. You can see I can move it around or try to move it around. This thing's gonna hold up to you know, strong winds, storms. I don't know about a tornado, but almost everything else. The magnets are rubber coated, so we're not scratching the roof. Super strong. I think this is gonna last for quite a while, so we'll have to kind of see how that goes. But you can see that we didn't penetrate the roof, and we're not scared of any leaks or any issues like that, or voiding any warranties. So that was very important to me and also the client. So we routed the wire over the edge here, and then we did a waterproof connection into the building. And then we also added a new eero Wi-Fi 6 mesh router to get the best possible Wi-Fi signal inside this metal building. So everything is running great. Again, he's on the beta. This thing's brand new. We're getting excellent speeds right now, so we'll have to see what happens in the future, how much better that gets as they launch and introduce more satellites and get a more stable platform. But so far, so good. If you have any experience with this dish, I'd love to hear how your experience is going, what your thoughts are on it. And as always, take care, guys. We'll see you on the next one.